Hey guys, if you are getting ready to install your LG portable AC for the first time, you're in the right place. An LG portable AC can only deliver its full cooling performance when it's installed correctly. Most installation problems happen because the window kit isn't fitted tightly, the exhaust hose is stretched too long or bent sharply, or the unit is placed too close to walls, restricting airflow. Even small gaps around the window can let warm air back into the room and reduce cooling efficiency. The bigger thing is that you can avoid these issues with the right setup from the start. These are the steps you can try to fix this and install your LG portable AC correctly. So, let's get started. 1. Position the AC on a level floor near a window and a grounded electrical outlet. 2. Assemble the window installation kit and adjust it to fit the window securely. 3. Attach the exhaust hose to the AC and lock the other end into the window panel without overextending it. 4. Close the window firmly against the kit and seal any remaining gaps with the supplied foam strips. 5. Plug in the unit, switch to cool mode, and confirm that warm air is exhausting outdoors.